GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about pound against dollar. Before we start the analysis, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And below the video, you will find some links so you can join free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then, and check out the pro firm and the brokers. Register with them and start trading. So subscribe and like, it's all free. So let's get back and start the top down approach with weekly chart. Now pay attention, we are going up, all the previous highs are broken. So if this candle remains like this today, that means we have made a new high in the recent times in weekly chart, and that will mean the continuation of the uptrend probably, okay, because up, down as in pullback, then again. So there hasn't been a strong pullback in weekly, okay? So weekly will not give you much idea what's going to happen today. So for that, let's go to daily chart. In daily chart, GBPUSD, we have broken this high more likely. So if this candle closes just like this tonight, then we will break this high. After that, we'll take a pullback next week and then we'll go up, okay? So I think you're too late if you're looking to go buy right now. Trend is strongly up. I have told you in last couple of days, a lot of people is saying euro is going to go down. They have private jets, they have mansions, they have luxury life. They had been telling since last 10 days, euro is going to go down. Yes, eventually euro will go down, but not very soon, okay? And I was the only few of those people who was saying, no, euro is in the uptrend, okay? But you can go and watch my euro USD videos, because I'm telling about euro because GBP works euro, these pairs works the same way. Euro USD, GBP USD, they're similar pairs, okay? Anyway, so if you want to go for buy in this GBP USD, bad idea, okay? We are already finishing this uptrend in daily, because this is where you were supposed to enter. You were supposed to enter by the end of this long blue candle, and then you would have taken all this high. So from here until here, you must have made like money in 1 week, okay? If you entered here buy on 13th, today is what? 23, in 10 days, you made this kind of profit, because swing trading is all about holding on to one trade, okay? But let's move on to 4 hour. Let's see if we have any opportunity for intraday traders. So in 4 hours as well, I can see that you are late, okay? I don't see any opportunity in GBPUSD to go long right now. This is an uptrend, more likely it will continue, and I'm expecting this GBPUSD to go up to 1360, okay? Right now is around 3497, almost 3500. I'm expecting it to touch 3600. That might happen tonight, that might happen next week. But for now, I'm not looking for any positions in GBPUSD, reason being, you have to wait for this uptrend to finish now, and then wait for the pullback and enter after the pullback with the confirmation blue candle, okay? So don't enter GBPUSD right now. If you're a swing trader, there's no need to enter GBPUSD, because you have to wait for the pullback now. Let the candles come down in 4 hour next week, and then enter long after the blue confirmation candle. If you like what you see, subscribe and like and share the video, and I'll see you in my next. Till then, take care.